Ng attorney.
Eh, nanay ko yan.
Oh, bakit? Alam naman namin yun eh, di ba?
First film ko siya rin nag-create ng big first film na I was a part of. Kaya syempre, andun, ang hirap tanggihan, pero it still has to be the material, especially with a topic like this nga. I'm not sure if I want to do a movie about that right away, pero pag mabasa mo, wow, this is really good story na hindi mo mabitawan from start to finish. Hindi siya yung, mamaya na yan. As soon as I started reading it, akala ko kayo. Tapos bigla, what? Diretso na, tuloy na. I was like, wow, it's a really nice story. And yun nga, I know that it happens to a lot of people. I myself can relate to it. How can I say no? Yun lang, I just had to find Steven's wife.
Okay. Welcome, congratulations. Eh, naman si Bobby Quintino.
Yeah. For me, actually, for Steven, mas nakaka-relate ako sa character ni Celine. Tsaka ni Ivan eh. Playing Steven, who is written to be very hateable. Kasi parang ako nagbabalancing act na sa akin na lang, I try to approach it in a way na this is still a human being. Even though I don't agree or I don't condone, I don't want to give him a pass for how he expresses himself, kung ano yung mga ginagawa niya sa pelikula. I wanted to understand why. And sa akin, parang na-realize ko, yung driving force talaga ni Steven is fear. Fear and insecurity. Na just holding on to that image na nagiging mali na yung kung paano niya i-handle, yung pagpapakita niya ng love niya na yun. And if I can actually answer the first question then, why I accepted, kasi yun nga, it's a very sensitive topic for me then. Pero even just reading the script and knowing that annulment wasn't a gimmick in the film. Hindi siya yung, let's do a film about annulment. Ito, parang gimmick siya. It's just so happens to be a story that revolves around annulment, which is a story that happens a lot here sa Philippines. It's very messy, talagang magulo siya, time-consuming talaga. Yung iba nga, parang decades, hindi pa rin nag-grant. Kaya in a way, I felt, I don't know if I can share, very fortunate for my own situation. Dahil dual citizen ako, I was lucky enough to get the chance to go through a divorce, which was relatively quicker. So in a way, I know it's not an advocacy film, it's just it's a family drama that just revolves around it. But if it can open some people's eyes then to the limits of our legal system when it comes to annulment, maybe for those, because any relationship that ends is very painful for everyone involved. Pero relationships that must end, yung andun na talaga sa dulo, yung sinasabi nga ni Angelica na freedom is deserved na and needed. Sana there's an easier way to achieve that. Kaya I was very eager to accept the role. The story is different naman eh, kanya-kanyang tao, pero I really feel for this film, it will encourage people.
Does it get married again?
I already am. Gusto ko yung sinabi ni Sanjo kanina sa making of na it's never an ending. Like, one ending is the beginning of another story.
Right. Nico?
Out there about me na, at least some people who are close to me know that aren't true. So the public perception and the role, baka mag-blur yung line na yun. Pero yun nga, because of the project, sabi ko, why would I, parang sinabi ni Angelica kanina, why would you deny a project na panghihinayangan mo? It's a really good story. And my character is like a piece of like the opposite side of Celine's pain na kailangan siya for the story na panghihinayangan ko. So if I let my own fear, parang stop myself from being part of a project like this, mas feeling ko mananaig yung panghihinayang kaysa yung sa takot na yun na, siguro isipin nila, ganyan ba siya sa totoong buhay, yung si Stephen tsaka si Tommy, isa ba? I had to separate that because I know for myself and my loved ones that that's not the truth, this is a role, and it's a beautiful story, and I was very, very excited to take it on. People who have also gone through the process, andun yung, sometimes the lengths and the extent na kailangan yung puntahan on both sides, na parang andun na yung nagsisiraan sa isa't isa, like to get, kasi minsan yung requirements for annulment are very, very steep. It's ano talaga eh, na andun na kayo sa nawawala na yung essence, nakakalimutan nyo na kung ano yung pinagalingan nyo before. Maybe some of the stories, like it changes, yung landscape from both ends, and it becomes very, very ugly. And let's just face it, that's a reality of of a lot of annulments. It turns to that point. Kaya nga, for me, I said earlier na I feel very fortunate na I had that option for divorce. Na within weeks, at least I had to live. I had to go, for my own process, I had to go to Nevada na no contest siya na state, walang cooling off period. You have to go through, the only way out of some situations is to finish it and to go through it. And in this film, that's ano, parang on point siya, na even in this film, their characters have to go through something to get through it and to start something new. In a relationship, you know, it takes two people to have a relationship. So for your part, you also have to take accountability of your part or your end of it. Kasi kung ma-stuck ka dun sa, as humans, minsan nagtatanong tayo, we get stuck in a victim type of mindset. We are doomed to repeat our failings or mag-stuck tayo sa ginawa sa atin or hindi mo rin acknowledge yung mga nagawa mo. You're doomed to repeat that and hindi ka magkakaroon ng worthwhile talaga na relationship. And as yung sinabi rin ni Z's situation, I kind of relate a little bit na I felt lucky that when I started my next relationship, it was when I was away from show business. Kasi di mo na realize na ano eh, sometimes a relationship doesn't have to be ideal, but it needs to be real. And sometimes the REEL part of it, hindi mo pag nagbe-blur yung totoong buhay mo sa trabaho mo, minsan hindi mo namamalayan you're living it for someone else. Sa fans, especially if there's a separation involved, or yun nga, may mga news people are like speculating things na hindi naman nila alam because they're not part of that relationship. Na parang tubig na inapakapaka mo sa dagat tapos nagiging murky na yung water. So for me, I felt lucky that I had that separation of it na mas naging clear yung boundaries ko between my job and my profession. Na ngayon parang klaro na siya. I come here, I clock into work, trabaho ko to, when I go home, I don't have to deal with and I am so thankful and grateful for my job, but it doesn't dictate my personal life. Na yun lang yung parang nakakita ko na difference na mahirap din. It's possible kasi you guys are navigating it well. Na maging successful yung mga showbiz relationships. Pero yun nga na hindi natin maalis na since a lot of our lives are public, a lot of people then feel like they are part of that relationship na pag may nag-e-end na relationships, totoo din yung sakit na nararamdaman nila at totoo din yung gusto nila na maging part ng relationship na yun. And it's a tough thing na i-navigate. Yeah, I can relate. I can feel what they both said. I think
in my work and yung personal ko na buhay, and I like it. I think mas gusto ko yung ganung balance. Ang sarap na nag-enjoy ka sa trabaho mo, it's fulfilling creatively. Pero pag uwi mo sa bahay, you take off that uniform and now you're sa pamilya mo, ikaw nakatuto.
Yung ex mo, ikakasal na rin, but you're happy for her.
I wish them well.
Yeah. And then, how's family life na?
I love it.
Oo.
I love it. Simple, and wala kaming house help so we do everything na kami lang. So we have a lot of